Welcome back, coin enthusiasts. Today we're delving into the fascinating world of the 1999 coin 50 euro cent coin featuring the A mint mark. This coin is a significant piece in the timeline of European numismatics, marking the early days of the euro currency before its official circulation. Let's uncover the details behind its design, origin, and current value to collectors. The reverse side of the coin, common to all 50 euro cent pieces, features the iconic design by Belgian artist Luc Loix. The central globe highlights Europe, showing its position in the world, while 6 diagonal lines cut across the globe, intersected by 12 stars, symbolizing the unity and shared purpose of the European Union. The denomination 50 euro cent is prominently displayed, ensuring its usability within the monetary system. This unifying reverse design underscores the shared identity of the Eurozone countries. Turning to the obverse side, we find the unique national design of Germany, signified by the A mint mark. This mint mark indicates that the coin was struck at the Berlin State Mint, one of Germany's 5 mints. The obverse design showcases the oak twig, an enduring symbol of strength, stability, and peace in German culture. The oak twig design links back to Germany's historical coinage, serving as a bridge between its past and its future within the European Union. The mint mark A is a crucial detail for identifying the coin's origin and distinguishing it from coins produced at other German mints. The 1999 coin 50 euro cent coin is composed of Nordic gold, an alloy of copper, aluminum, zinc, and tin, giving it a rich golden appearance. The coin weighs 7.80 grams, has a diameter of 24.25 millimeters, and features a thick, ridged edge, a tactile feature designed to prevent counterfeiting. Now, let's talk about its collector value. Coins minted in 1999 hold special significance as they were produced before the euro's physical introduction in 2002. These pre-circulation coins were distributed to familiarize the public with the new currency, making them both historical and collectible. The A mint mark further adds to the coin's appeal, as collectors often aim to complete sets with coins from each German mint. In circulated condition, this coin typically retains its face value of 0.5 euros, but in uncirculated or mint state condition, its value increases. Collectors value pristine examples, free of scratches or wear, at $10,000 to $50,000 US, depending on demand and condition. Coins from 1999 that feature minting errors, such as misstrikes, double designs, or off-center impressions, can fetch much higher prices, sometimes exceeding $60,000 USD. The historical context of the 1999 minting adds to the coin's allure. As one of the first years of euro production, it represents a transitional period in European monetary history, where nations shifted from their traditional currencies to a unified system. For Germany, this meant moving away from the beloved Deutsche Mark to embrace the euro, making these coins a tangible reminder of that significant change. To preserve the value of your 1999 coin 50 euro cent coin, it's essential to store it properly. Consider using a protective coin holder or capsule to shield it from environmental damage like oxidation or scratches. Proper care ensures your coin retains its collector appeal for years to come. In conclusion, the 1999 coin 50 euro cent coin with the A mint mark is more than just a piece of currency. It's a historical artifact and a collector's delight. Whether you're drawn to its elegant design, its representation of European unity, or its unique German origins, this coin is a testament to a pivotal moment in modern history. If you own one of these treasures or are on the hunt for one, share your story in the comments below. Next up, the 2002 coin 50 euro cent coin featuring the R mint mark. This coin is a gem of modern European numismatics, holding both historical significance and artistic value. Minted in Italy, the R mint mark represents the prestigious Istituto Poligrafico e Zecca dello Stato, EPZS, in Rome, Italy's official mint. Let's explore its fascinating design, origin, and market value in today's collecting world. The reverse side, common to all 50-euro-cent coins, features a design created by Belgian artist Low-mintage. At its center is a map of Europe, showcasing its position in the world, surrounded by 6 diagonal lines and 12 stars, symbolizing the unity and ideals of the European Union. The denomination, 50-euro-cent, is boldly displayed, ensuring its recognizability as a part of the Eurozone's shared currency. On the obverse side, the design takes us to the heart of Italian culture and history. It proudly displays Marcus Aurelius on horseback, inspired by the famous equestrian statue of Marcus Aurelius located in Rome. This design reflects Italy's deep connection to its ancient Roman heritage, and it was selected as part of Italy's contribution to the Euro coinage series. The R mint mark, positioned to indicate its origin, signifies that this coin was struck in Rome, adding a layer of specificity and charm for collectors. The 2002 coin 50-euro-cent coin is made from Nordic gold, an alloy of copper, aluminum, zinc, and tin, known for its durability and golden appearance. The coin weighs 7.80 grams, measures 24.25 millimeters in diameter, and features a thick ridged edge designed for easy recognition and to deter counterfeiting. Now let's talk about its value and collectability. The year 2002 is particularly significant as it marked the official introduction of euro coins and notes into circulation. For collectors, coins from this year are historically important as they represent the beginning of a new era in European currency. The R mint mark is especially appealing as Italy's national designs stand out for their artistic and historical depth. In circulated condition, the 2002 coin 50-euro-cent with the R mint mark typically holds its face value of $10,000. However, for coins in uncirculated or mint state condition, values can range from $10,000 to $30,000 USD, depending on the coin's condition and the demand among collectors. Coins with notable minting errors, such as die cracks, doubling, or off-center strikes, are highly sought after and can command significantly higher prices, sometimes exceeding $50,000 USD or more, depending on the rarity of the error. The cultural and historical connection of this coin enhances its value. The depiction of Marcus Aurelius on horseback ties it to the grandeur of ancient Rome and Italy's enduring legacy as a center of art and history. It also represents Italy's role in shaping the modern European Union. This makes the coin a beautiful blend of the past and present, appealing not only to collectors, but also to history enthusiasts. If you own one of these coins, proper care is essential to maintain its value. Store it in a protective coin capsule or holder to shield it from scratches, oxidation, and environmental damage. A well-preserved coin retains its beauty and collector appeal, ensuring it remains a prized piece in your collection. In conclusion, the 2002 coin 50-euro-cent coin with the R mint mark is a magnificent addition to any collection. It captures the essence of Italy's rich cultural heritage and marks a pivotal moment in European monetary history. Whether you're a seasoned collector or new to the hobby, this coin is a tangible connection to the early days of the euro and a testament to Italy's contribution to the European Union. Next up, the 2001 coin 50-euro-cent coin featuring the RF mint mark, a remarkable piece from the early days of the euro currency. This coin not only represents monetary history, but also carries the artistic and cultural significance of its country of origin. Let's dive into its design, features, and value to collectors in today's market. The reverse side of this coin showcases the iconic Euro series design by Belgian artist Low-mintage. At its center, you'll find the detailed depiction of Europe on a globe, set against a background of 6 diagonal lines crossed by 12 stars. These stars symbolize the founding principles of the European Union. unity, solidarity, and harmony among its member states. The denomination 50 euro cent is prominently displayed, ensuring the coin's usability and clear identification. This reverse design remains consistent across all euro coins of this denomination, providing a unifying theme across the Eurozone. Now, turning to the obverse side, we encounter the uniqueness of the 2001 French 50 euro cent coin, denoted by the RF mint mark, which stands for République Française or French Republic. The design, created by renowned artist Laurent Jorlot, features a modern interpretation of Marianne, the national symbol of France. Marianne is portrayed as a determined and youthful woman wearing the Phrygian cap, an emblem of liberty and democracy. This artistic representation blends tradition with forward-thinking ideals, perfectly aligning with France's role in the European Union. The RF mint mark is a key identifier for French euro coins. Alongside Marianne, it reinforces the coin's French origins, making it a distinctive and collectible piece within the euro series. In terms of physical attributes, the 2001 coin 50 euro cent coin is made from Nordic gold, a durable and visually appealing alloy composed of copper, aluminum, zinc, and tin. Its golden hue is both eye-catching and symbolic of its higher denomination in the euro system. The coin measures 24.25 millimeters in diameter, weighs 7.80 grams, and features a thick ridged edge, providing a tactile and secure feel. From a collector's perspective, the 2001 coin 50 euro cent coin with the RF mint mark is an appealing addition to any collection, especially for those specializing in euro coins or French numismatics. Its value depends on factors such as condition, rarity, and demand. While circulated coins hold $20,000, those in uncirculated or proof condition are far more desirable. Coins with pristine surfaces and no signs of wear can fetch higher prices, typically ranging from $10,000 to $50,000 USD, depending on their condition. If you're fortunate enough to find a minting error on a 2001 coin 50 euro cent coin, such as a misaligned die, doubled design, or other anomalies, its value could significantly increase. Error coins are highly sought after by collectors and often command a premium in the numismatic market. The year 2001 marked the preparatory phase for the physical introduction of euro coins and banknotes, which officially entered circulation on January 1, 2002. As such, coins minted in 2001 carry historical significance, representing the transition to a unified European currency. For collectors, these coins are more than just monetary instruments. They are artifacts of a pivotal moment in modern economic history. To preserve the value of your 2001 coin 50 euro cent coin with the RF mint mark, consider storing it in a protective holder or capsule. This will prevent scratches, oxidation, and other forms of damage, ensuring its longevity and appeal. In conclusion, the 2001 coin 50 euro cent coin with the RF mint mark is a small but significant piece of European history. Its striking design, cultural symbolism, and historical context make it a must-have for any euro coin collector. Whether you're captivated by the artistry of Marianne, intrigued by the legacy of the euro, or simply enjoy the thrill of discovering rare coins, this piece is sure to hold a special place in your collection. If you've enjoyed this deep dive or have a similar coin to share, drop your thoughts in the comments below.